एडीजी वुमेन सेफ्टी विंग आईपीएस शिखा गोयल के हाथों लोटस हॉस्पिटल्स के मैटरनिटी एंड गायनोकोलॉजी विंग का इफ्तिताह अमल में आया है। शहर के नामवर अस्पतालों में शामिल लोटस हॉस्पिटल्स फॉर वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन ने खवातीन के लिए गायनोकोलॉजी और मैटरनिटी विंग कायम किया है। आईपीएस ऑफिसर शिखा गोयल ने चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ लोटस हॉस्पिटल्स वीएसवी प्रसाद के हमरा इस विंग का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। तकरीब में दीगर माहिरीन डॉक्टर्स ने भी शिरकत की है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए अस्पताल के सीईओ और आईपीएस शिखा गोयल ने तमाम तफसीलात बताई हैं।
ओपनिंग జరిగింది. I'm very happy to come and inaugurate that. ఇది కొత్త టెక్నాలజీస్ పెట్టారు డాక్టర్ గారు ఇక్కడ డాక్టర్ ప్రసాద్, and I am sure this will add to the facilities and the better care for expecting mothers and children. Congratulations to Lotus Hospital. Also, the Lotus Hospital has agreed to collaborate with Mana Bharosa to help serious victims of children who need any urgent medical care. దీని గురించి డాక్టర్ గారు has agreed to help, and very soon మను భరోసా తరఫు నుంచి హ్యూమన్ సేఫ్టీ వింగ్ తరఫు నుంచి ఒక MOU సైన్ చేస్తాను with Lotus Hospital for additional.
I'm Dr. VSV Prasad, Chief Executive Officer of Lotus Hospitals for Women and Children. Today we had an important event which we are very happy to proud to spell out as well as let the world know about. We had Mrs. Shikha Goyal, Senior IPS Officer, launch our new Women and Gynecology Wing, Gynecology and Maternity Wing at Lotus Hospitals. Over the years, we have been very well known for children's care, but the last few years we have taken maternity into our fold, as well as we have been serving women also, the medical services and health as well as deliveries and all that. Today, on a special occasion, we thought we will revisit the program and launch an advanced obstetrics and gynecology wing with all the latest equipment, excellent facilities for mothers, both antenatally before they deliver, when they come and get admitted for health issues, as well as post-delivery. We have all the state-of-the-art latest equipment to deal with both women's care as well as maternity care. And in the past also, we have done a lot of complicated deliveries and complicated high-risk pregnancies. Apart from that, we want to extend our services, and on this occasion, our chief guest has launched a membership card drive, which gives free membership to women to avail of our services at a highly subsidized cost, not just for deliveries, admissions and any medical issues, but also for outpatients also. And that includes diagnostic services. So this will encourage a lot of people to register with us, as well as extend our services to everybody. The cost of care here as compared to many other existing facilities is much lower, and we plan to keep it that way. Though the services and the floor has been upgraded at a lot of cost, but the cost we want to keep it moderate so that people can avail of our services. More important is being able to serve those who need our services and efficiently at a high quality of care. Dr. Charles would like to say a few words. Dr. Sujaza Charles, who's the head of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology.
Today is a very special day for me and my team, and I'm so happy that we as a department are here to add to the excellent work which Lotus is already doing in the management of babies and newborns. And I bring a lot of experience from having worked in different types of institutions, and I am sure that my tenure here and my work along with the team of doctors and the other consultants who come in to help us will help the women in Hyderabad not only to enjoy their pregnancy and related conditions, but also to make sure that their health is taken care of. So I look forward to doing service in this hospital, and I would appreciate all your help and support to make this a blessed endeavor. Thank you.